Let me read out a Facebook status from 2018. Why am I even alive? What is the point of living like this? I could cut myself off today and nobody would even realize. If there is anybody reading this, I want to die right now. That is in summary of what my life was in 2018. I was around 85 kilos. I had an HB1AC of 10. I had PCOD, thyroid. I took more medicines than food. Mera entire medicine pulls, I would take them and swallow them in it. बट टुडे आई हैव लॉस्ट अराउंड 20 किलोज. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि जब आप वेट लूज करते हो आप एक कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करते हो. आई वॉज एबल टू रिवर्स माई डायबिटीज फ्रॉम हैविंग HB1AC 10 to now HB1AC 6.1, and I have no PCOD, no thyroid, my skin color glows, and there have been so many changes that has happened in my life. But more than anything, I am no longer fueled by the two devils, depression and diabetes. I am Sanchari Das. I am 30 years old. I currently live in Delhi. It was around 10-15 years back, my mom got diagnosed with diabetes. My mom was constantly sick. She was in and out of hospital. Most of my adolescence, if I remember, वो hospital में बीता. कभी मम्मी का आई का problem हो गया, ये हो गया. The toll of that disease, diabetes on my family, the toll of those जो हुआ, I got very scared कि diabetes जो कहते हैं it's a silent killer. It actually destroyed the lives of not just her but me and my dad. But somehow I struggled. I was able to get through a good college. I went to college, but वहाँ भी मेरा lifestyle बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था. I would not sleep. I gained a lot of weight. I did not have confidence. बिल्कुल बहुत बुरा ही लाइफ चल रहा था. I started working in a corporate job. वो भी did not work very well for me. I was struggling there also. Mental health was never good for me. The past 6-7 years I've been just struggling with mental health and physical health. सुबह उठा नहीं जाता था. I would be in bed till 2 p.m, 3 p.m. Wake up, order from Swiggy. I did not talk to anyone. कोई positivity, कोई confidence नहीं था. It was rock bottom. I would go to therapy, pills ले रही थी, pills would make me feel more sleepy, they would get me into more irritated. It was just एक cycle ही चले जा रहा था, nothing was going forward. And I would have this constant urge to pee all the time. College में we were put up into an auditorium और किसी को निकलने नहीं दे रहे थे. I told them कि मुझे शुगर, मुझे डायबिटीज़ है, प्लीज़ मुझे जाने दो, ये करो, but nobody listened to me, awareness नहीं था. And कॉलेज की फर्स्ट ईयर की बात है, एंड आई हैड टू डर्टी माई क्लोथ्स राइट एंड देन देयर एंड देयर. सो नॉट मैनी पीपल नोटिस्ड. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड वॉज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू इट. शी नोटिस्ड एंड शी गेव मी समथिंग टू कवर. 2-3 people noticed and I was bullied for that for a very long time. मैंने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ लूज़ किया है बिकॉज ऑफ शुगर, एंड I genuinely don't want anyone to go through that journey again. It's very, very restricting. And at the same time घर पे भी बहुत issues चल रहे थे. Mom was very sick. I had to take care of her as well, mentally, physically. I kept telling ये diabetes है, but I was not doing anything to help myself also. मैं कुछ भी खाती थी. इसी बीच one good thing that happened is that I got admission in IIM. With a very heavy heart, I left for IIM. It was a 2-year college degree because ऐसा opportunity नहीं आता. Second year, I got the news that my mom passed away. And I had to come back from college, and you would not believe it, but the day my mom passed away, 2 days later I called up Dr. Lal's Path Labs and I got all my tests done. तब पता चला HB1AC is like 10K beyond and बहुत serious है. I was like अब तो कुछ करना है. And then one day I did what most depressed people do, sit on bed and scroll, sit on bed and scroll. घंटे I would scroll करते करते मुझे सात्विक मूवमेंट का पेज दिखा. The happiness, what mattered, what struck to me, I have goosebumps while saying it, is how happy Subha and Harsh looked. They had a genuine glow on their face, ऐसा लग रहा था कि मतलब लाइक उनको लाइफ का वो सीक्रेट मिल चुका है जो मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. उनका वो हैप्पीनेस देख के आई एम गेटिंग इमोशनल नाउ. दैट हैप्पीनेस दैट आई सॉ इन देम देयर, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट this happiness that I want in my life. I want to feel this sense of happiness. I had not heard the sound of my own laughter for so long. I had forgotten. The very first thing जिसने मेरी life change कर दी, and that's a very cute thing, that are colorful smoothie bowls. This was actually the first video of Satvik that also I had seen, and I fell in love with कि यार how can food be so tasty and delicious looking as well. So that was the first change that I started doing. I started replacing an entire meal with a smoothie bowl with fruits. And then on January 5th, when I joined the 21-day yoga challenge, every day one habit stacking happened. और उसके बाद तो the train started and never stopped only. Of course, when we talk about Sattvic movement, लोगों के दिमाग में दो चीज़ें सबसे ज़्यादा आती है, that is diet and yoga. मेरे लिए what comes matter is the small things, like hugging a tree, like expressing your gratitude towards things that you want, like you know, shifting to more sustainable sources of clothing. मेरे में एक बहुत बड़ा इशू होता था, I had a gut health issue and all. Ashgard juice, golden juice, मुझे तो सब Ashgard girl बोलते हैं. And I think gut health के लिए मेरा second जो improve हुआ, that is enema. एनेमा अभी भी मैं बोलती हूँ तो लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ही क्या बात कर रही है, बट दैट रियली है. जब तक डिप्रेशन था मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं आ पाता था. अब मैं बेड से ही 2 बजे उठ रही हूँ, मुझसे ना नींद आ रही है ना सो रही हूँ, तो मैं कैसे कुछ करूँ. वंस व्हेन आई वाज इन अ बेटर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, व्हेन आई वोक अप विद दिस होल स्माइल एंड डूइंग ऑल दिस कि यस आई कैन डू इट. जब मेरे सामने मेरा एफर्मेशन है, आई एम रीडिंग इट एंड आई एम सेइंग संचारी यू आर गोइंग टू रॉक योर डे, तब अपने आप एनर्जी इतनी आती है कि मैं अच्छा खाऊँ, अपने आप एनर्जी आती है कि मैं एक्सरसाइज करूँ, एंड दैट ऑटोमेटिकली अफेक्टेड माई डायबिटीज़. और ये सब बस बातें नहीं है. आई हैव फैक्ट्स एंड रिजल्ट्स दैट प्रूव इट. Just by following Sattvic principles and diet and lifestyle, I was able to reduce my weight from 78 to 58 in just 1 year. I was able to reverse my diabetes from having HbA1c 10 to now HbA1c 6.1. I was able to completely eliminate diseases like thyroid, like PCOD, etc. I let positivity and I let Sattvic movement enter into my life, and soon every negative thing from my body was removed, including the 2 big monsters I had, diabetes and depression. This year in the starting, I had prayed, I had manifested that I meet Subha and Harsh and I take their blessings.
To the headquarters, I was very shy.
The day I met them, I took their signature and I kept it in my journal. The day I met them, I was reflecting back at that day जब मैंने उनकी first video देखी थी, and that envy and pride I had कि मुझे इन जैसा खुश बनना है, मुझे इन जैसा happy बनना है. I realized something that day कि मैं हूँ already अब इनकी जितनी happy. I have achieved everything in my life I wanted and I have reached that level. और ये कुछ बहुत difficult नहीं था. I didn't go to Himalayas to do tapasya there. I did not have to give up on things. और मैंने ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ा कोर्स नहीं किया था. मैंने सिर्फ छोटे छोटे चेंजेस किए अपनी लाइफ में. 21 डे कंसिस्टेंट रही हूँ, बस कंसिस्टेंसी और ये सब करके आई हैव बिकम हु आई एम टुडे. I am very proud of every area of my life that I have been able to change and I am able to impact. My wedding is in 10 days. I am marrying the soulmate of my life. I've got a perfect family now. I have a super thriving business. I have students I love. I feel like there are 1,000 bulbs inside me जो इतने दिन जलते नहीं थे, and I found a way to get it. I literally glow from inside and I can't tell you, I have the secret of the universe inside me. I have this happiness inside me that nobody can take it from me. मेरा बस एक रिग्रेट है कि माई मोम, if I had discovered this while my mom was still alive, I could have changed her life as well with this. That's my only regret, and I don't want, that's why I'm making up for it by sharing this with so many other people.